home still, and we still don't know when this at-home period is going to end. So, today let's talk about play. Play is an extremely important part of a child's life. Without play, it is not possible for the child to develop holistically. Therefore, I would like you to remember that during this period, your child is definitely going through a time when he or she is unable to play. So, what can we do so that our children remain happy and fulfilled when they play? They always feel a sense of joy and happiness that is unparalleled. Therefore, it is extremely important that we actually help the kids to play also at home. So, let's talk about a fun thing, and that is dramatic play. The word dramatic play has been derived from two words, one being drama and one being play. So, your little child can actually get involved in play that involves a little bit of drama, or what we would like to call it, role play. Your little child or your little one can dress up like perhaps an ice cream seller, or maybe a little farmer, and set out his or her toys and set up a little shop. Of course, I would always request you as a parent to kindly also participate in the play. And if you can get your family members to do so, then nothing like it. The entire family can sit together and play a round of shop or shopping. And needless to say, this is extremely fun. So, stay tuned for my next video, and I will definitely give you some more tips regarding dramatic play and role play. Thank you so much for watching the video.